Vumogusi.
Muchumulika mwanakoni ndansi ya sobereta sema ngoba ya bono chinga kicheni ko kwaligania SMS mungana majya ya kumanikati yali ya togende to kwaligania ya seri tokeli gabono ya ramisi ya seri bono chikuya nyareka ya kire ense ya mom kulinda sema ngoba ya bono chisi kumiche bono margoba imeji Africa ya mocha ku East Africa saki kumina isana ne momo tinyo gatano mwaka bwechiri ubere na meronge bere nene na manga gende to kolekana na ngoba kan gende to kwende kiwe meje konche nyamira ane mono kurwa saba alimo bali ba junior secondary school na obakati ya serikali tere okogani kwaba ekalokele bokurobekana kubonuko ngwakolekana tawo kuri bije county ya Nairobi gaja tochi kumulekero mwanje umulegeria sema rukoba ya hono andiko enseri ya Uganda n'enseri ya Kenya abekero kuigwana asoko nyarago tinyo bamate nabo igo nyarago nikuna mutango wanje rorwe tasense ya Kenya ikenseri ya Uganda eyamaga yomurai wense ya Uganda ikoko 7 gota romurai wenso Kenya ngase nyumba yo state house imiyo muchi Nairobi gazi tochi kumulekero mwanje umulegeria yakerekiria bali kibaito bagendretse ko yasangire jero mono nabo iko kandi nabo tokoretse nambe yemo ane mono asoko nyarago twakere kurasama merania kuzawadza asoko likere tabna KUZN yatakuza yalibono KUZN manyarago tumagochia yemo sana mo enote yemo mwanje umulegeria ngalibono nyarago tokora abanyankongo asama merania yo akuza awards mwanje umulegeria onogabo no kunyarago likere ta KUZN osekuza onyarago tumagochia namba yemo isano nemo enoti ayemo nyiramuno litokubwatanere bareke kibica mu lili byakuro kwa Sara Mumanyi asaye mananda mange gendera gotobwati kwetera semeli mtandao semeli ya Facebook na bogo tshira una Ndizi TV News Digital na bogo semeli ya YouTube na bogo tshira Ndizi TV News to basekwe bogo tobwati kwetera se website ito una www.ndizitv.net una konyo radio mu nanda mange to yeka munyere kura semeli studio tera na sentunde SMS mwana mu yachize komik senchira yuwini Kuya chaka senchari ubenga chinse komicha bono margoba ni kobono serikali ya rokane komochi komeno kobwatikana ne bango ibona somore wensa bera kagote yakuna boikira obocholi bo mwaka bogocha abegoro mwaka bwechirwe na meronge 3 ne biro 2032 niko bona aranyare konyoro mentre bango kurense media 16% ko ikemeronga ya bere nebere ose 22% nengane kendrete koleta ogote igwana konene niko chika katikati ya bonchire kurwa se county ya Kisii barokane ko murunga ya soko mochi serikali asama gane yo konyara kane ko komente ngona bogo keya kweli goria mabutase siringaye mo nengana gati ya bonchiri bansemeli yo bosombi go saboda boda batarago kerekera sokote ya kunumura iwenze ni garo kanto go ikisiringaye mo na komenta chinse muchinde egento bagote ya unani ga serikali ya Kenya kwanza egende teko bakomuri muhima aba Kenya baliya bokonyora wanse
umurai wensa tebetenga by the end akoru uburai taxation ere kirechire percentage ya 22%. Ase boni gere agotebara nyeskuno koru ase 16% to 22%. Nchendoche ase amagendero na taxation tokoru njiri kwambatana. Ase bono konyora taxation ere igoro lakini amagendero insare. So the impact ya tax ye tokoru na development nchiriko bwatanamo chire far apart mono torigereri ateteko beka 16% ya VAT asomogati eyita konyarekana cause most of the population bakurira ase omogati that is their day to day meal. Mtuwa roche eprake kupunguza 1 bob per liter. Lakini ase boda rigo rindi. So 1 bob tera tuara impact enene ase abako gendigo. At the same time ase tuaga cherere gose na 200 to kwanza kuruseria customer shilingi nabe 199 is for kwenye round off nabe eyumia 2
na ngotikana yono mwancho muligereria ni gochinga kie chibona karango kilia kyo burere bwezo sera umanya kantu na malaria somo no bweka nyamuliro bagenderete kwira na nso bono bokunyara koleto ne chinkorumba bose chimbo ana mono a sesa county ya Masaba north gotoka imeje county Nyamira kolengana ne semeni ko bate biro no kubwata na kwa rokane bwekera ni kwa asensemo yobo chenu ko bwata na banyagetade bo kwero boze frontiers iko ono bate biro se community workers ni ko ono bagenderete ko ne kibuna semeni ko kwira na nse asekerenge kyo iko chinga kachero botiro koro kibuna obo burairo ubundi ko bwere nense asekera ngo kyejemo asemyo 1% asaba te una bagenderete kwirenda soge tango kuraso burairo bwezo sera umanya kanete buna
malaria seitanekete abantu ngotumeka bali kineti bia na ndo muntu kaibure bobe abanyagitari to ababaitos community promoters basa media abantu no muntu koibobe nyagitari ibona kieke kogera ase Nyamira county ase malaria insatole kabisa nande komentera nayo ebintu mbirongo kora na inche asa mangano gotuki ngoligere tora mangana oborwire bwa measles no mwana abana babake okonyora omwana bwata maisa abalire takweyagia omanu obalire te nobotono na abo kitu abanyorire kenyoro nto sometia abanyagitari abaita bake na boto kumulifa abana bacha karto anyorire kese kabire kikurwe community tigekoje se facility alafu twaje twarusia specimen twarusia manyinga twatoma kemuri tali go pimeru Nyamira gose Kisumu
Marieta ngoro kutomo manyo njonga by profession and public health officer asinga kiye gabono iga ngo coordinate malaria control activities as a sub county ya Masaba North go asali tukolia lero ko babenge gelinga ego twachaga iga on a support supervision mission as a community unit ya Kenya na Embaro CUs na ngia tolenta mono nkelinga otwacha kororanga ngaki bagokora egasi yo kororanga malaria ne bintu binde bikoreta emechando yoborwire bwesosera gose malaria byaligereriru na ndi bya bangiruya asenjira yo kwira ni malaria no borwire otuchandite mana ase chinyomba cheito ase sub county yaito na sabantu baito generally
Gotikana yubono mwancho muligerera ni gochinga kiche bono gati ya bali mukuru wa Semeli ya Junior Secondary School imeje kaunti Nyamira bakora kurobekana kwa bo gotinda sokoro kana ko mocha serikali yamaga serikali gotekera niko gani kwa bana mona soko nyara kuli kwa central ya botambe kuse permanent and pension bo gochinga kiche batebirwa na mali chikera na sevirasi bo ke serikali yeguru ko gani kwa bo nyirabona ni gago tari tukelimo magaga ya banyagitari ne mono korwa ase county Nairobi ose ya bali mukuru ase county Nairobi Semeli ya Junior Secondary awatu bakora okurobekana kwa buli tukuli ko murungani serikali tigakiti ngo batse no kuli ko kwetera century ya contract ko sekonda engawatiri go chukwanchira na kwani bali ko na bali mubande nako kandi banyare kuligererwa okogani kwabo anika go chamotoka makema ga agency ya budget ko tebuna negenderete kumulikira igoro ya mwana chisemi asibona abantu bategere ko tebuna ko ikabali kwe batari ko se batari ko likunse ya konda osensemeli ya permanent and pension.
I've seen several letters splashed in funerals and political rallies. Yes. Initially, the procedure was that as you graduate earlier, you get appointment earlier. But what we are seeing now is that our political leaders are bringing letters to give people who graduated about even 2 months ago, leaving those of us who have been in the field who graduated about 2017, 2014, 2016. Honestly, it's extremely unfair.
One of the lawyers of TSC 1 week ago said that we are cleaners and painters, and so we are here to confirm to them that we are not going to those school because we are painters and we are cleaners until they come out and apologize.
Ya Kenya kubatira n'enseri ya Buganda babekirese yo kwigwana soko nyaragotinge ogwa matebwabo ejenkole ngana no mure wense ya ense ya Buganda kabute yugere Museveni otaro mure wense gasense ya Kenya se nyumba yo state house yo mu Nairobi okono karense me Kenya nego ya bekesi ya menseri ya Buganda wanchira na mabuta use petrol gwetu wa gasense ya Kenya ocha senseri ya Buganda chinga kechi Ruto ni ganyara gote yabuna bagendere kubwatira na 70 bingense ya Buganda ne mona sorongoro East Africa use Africa ya mocha ngaliko ne kubona gotinga bali na gukini uchumi chinga kechi Ruto ni ganyara gote genseri ya Buganda asoko nyara ko mure rwe kyama kya ODM Raila Odinga asoko chikurwa ndrekero kyo bunyakirobo asensembeli ya ejo na botebune ntire masekero kirek ya soko nyana kubwatira na sobamo gati yoro kongoro iga Africa.
As pertains our regional agenda, President Museveni and I appreciated the benefits and power of our close coordination with respect to the East African Community, Intergovernmental Authority on Development, and the Africa Union and other regional organizations, which we recognize as the building blocks for the greater integration of our countries at the continental and international level. I appreciate with tremendous gratitude President Museveni's contribution and selfless dedication to building a robust East African community and transitioning it into a federation of shared vision and values. I have also expressed to His Excellency, the people and the government of Uganda, the appreciation of Kenyans from all walks of life for Uganda's endorsement of the Kenyan candidate for the position of Africa Union Commission chairperson, and assured him of our full confidence that our candidate will deliver effective leadership at the Commission. We also shared our concern about the threat of terrorism and insecurity in our region and affirmed our commitment to strengthening regional peace and security approaches and programs. Kenya will continue to consult and work closely with Uganda in addressing security challenges in our sub-region, including in the Sudan, South Sudan, Somalia, DRC, and elsewhere.
Na kumsananigo kwanikiwa ase county na ya Nairobi asema biale Roma ya watani ana boy guna boron review ogimanya banzo ko watana nana menyenseme yokorokoro bekana ko ikasama ko chebunge ye county ya Nairobi na bone chobisi che county ego chenga kechi baroka na ko mocho mu governor boy county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja asoko te yaguna nigo chinyumba chininga tikanrete kwa ga cho mo cho Nairobi stari ko wati machiko na bone ego chenga kechi baroka na ko te yaguna ko wati kande mbere nyinga ya neki watu osegoto chinse mu chinga na tego comment kana ase county Nairobi chinyumba che abantu batari kwenyara nigo cyarroka na gutagurwa abazi nyumba china nensembeli ya runda staba chiko kuno nigo chinga ketikati ya bwatane wate bile kuno umugabo we county Nairobi Johnson Sakaja niga bwato wanjeria ane muno ngasanto bali nyumba cyaba chiko tagurwa ase county Nairobi na bokole ngane nsembeli yo kunyara ko mugiro mugabo we county Nairobi ebona barroka na ko basaga na bali barakorokoro bekana sensemeyo oyikase chiyo biziria chi county ngana yatari rocheritire ko irabanya nyimbo kunyara basoga tukutumia ka amali yo kurusia malika maiso elikone kyomolembe sensemeyo tigati ya barwandere asobo no manja bantoni ko bateruna bagendere ko mu serikali ye county Nairobi asoko tekerania magendera bona bago tekerania bokori obje ko cyasa abantu bonse asaba ko yabuna serikali ni gegendere te korokyo kwanjerya ngana mu ko cyasa abantu bali batari kwenyara.
Kwa majina naitwa Wanjeri Nderu. Mimi ni president wa Kenya for International Society for Human Rights. Tumekuja leo kutoka asubuhi saa 3 na vile vitu venye Gatete ametaja zenye zimefanya tuje huku ni kwa sababu ya situation yenye tunaona Nairobi iko sahi. We are very concerned kuhusu ile corruption imefanya Nairobi ikakuwa a city that we cannot be able to live in peace or even safely. Tumeona kwanza kwa sababu ya mafuriko yenye yalifanyika juzi, wale watu walifariki, tumeona illegal demolitions, tumejaribu kumwambia Sakaja hata I respond kwa hizi issues amenyamaza, hatuongeleshi kabisa. But today we came out as residents from all over Nairobi, from all sectors of Nairobi, and this is not an issue only for informal settlements, it affects everybody across the board. Tuliona nyumba kule Runda zimejaa maji mpaka kwa ceiling, so it is not a problem of only the people who we are considered poor or from the informal settlement areas. But what concern ingine tuko nayo ni ukiona hata hiyo mafuriko vile ilifanyika, the response from the government ilikuwa unfair and unjustified. Ukiona kama mahali kama South B, what did they do in South B? Walienda wakaenda kwa mto. Hiyo mto wana demolish side yenye iko na informal settlements and then they leave the side that has nyumba zenye zimetengenezwa za kifahari na factories. So tukaona hata surely some people are more human than others. Yes, kuna problem Runda, lakini hakuna mtu ameenda Runda akasema tubomoe Runda. Hao wenye wamebomolewa kwa hizi vijiji hata hawakupatiwa notice. We even have people who died walikutwa kwa manyumba zao wakakufa uko ndani during the demolitions. So those are some of the things imefanya tukuje kwa street. Kama tunatafuta solution ya Nairobi, it has to be a collective solution that incorporates everybody from all walks of life. And also hata tunaona vile some of these buildings zinakuja unplanned. Kama Kilimani has become a concrete slum, wanajenga beacon to beacon na wanajenga 24 hours a day. Mkienda huko na kamera zenyu, hata Sunday hawapumziki. Hizo machine bado they are just there working all 24 hours a day. Who is giving them permission and permits to do this? Our governor Sakaja cannot claim that he is not aware that illegal construction is happening in this country. He also cannot claim that we have not reached out in very many forms, even online. Even sometimes, I'm sure, he has been reached out officially. And even the committee that is right now at the assembly is discussing the same issues. So he's well aware, but he has chosen to be silent. And today, we have been attacked by goons. We have ended up at his office. Nobody has come to receive a petition, but everybody else, we have gone to the other offices, have received the petition. What does that tell us about who is the current governor of Nairobi? He is not responsive, and he doesn't care about the situation that Nairobi is in right now.
Gochia kwa kora senchera yo wengo mwachumu ligere komiche bona marko niko bona serikali ya birike kuboligane kubona kuligere chinchira china na gokonya gati ya borko libatara ntiskuru kubate kana kuna skuru chaboni gochia kunwa ane toigo ebona ya reto ni mbre nyinga ya bageka kwa kwa chinsemu gati ya bible niko bona banya reko bole serikali konekia aborokyo wali balenka ngwanje role kwa ntiskuru chirange asibale luganya kwa gendere na masomo kira serikali kantuko bekembero beresena kwa neki bona kwa na bale chiskuru icho chiaba chiko kunwa nagoso.
Share the kids that are in Form 4, and not forgetting even those others in the lower classes. The government should come up with a system whereby there are nearby schools where these kids can be accommodated for now. Because a child that is missing education is a child that is getting wasted. And I expect that because the government knows the schools, they know which students are affected, how long it's going to take. In fact, I saw some of them are just starting reconstructing the schools at the moment. Yet my son has come back to school. So I'm hoping that the government will have a way of making sure that these other students they get some accommodation, and they get even if it's been day school, let the child go to the day school, let them learn, because it's equality.
Mchumba mwana kwa kirawo na onka yakiro musumali mangana maya senchera ayo wenge chinse komoro chibona margoba gekora gense mnyanyora senchera yo boykira no gandra kumanyi gobuna baleke bayito na bagandra tako ya sangire ko chinkongo chionse nyina bwana boko nyara batoketse nikyo nambe yemo ana mwana sama ya mereli yakuza wadza asoko nyara kwa neko nango to agarole kure ya utari kono chokende gionse no nyande somoni nyira asoko nyara batochora buna banyankongo ni boko nyara kulikiri takuza KUZM otumo cha namba yemo isano nemo enote yemo okulikiri takuza otumo chia senamba moisano gisana na mo enote ya 15601 ngotali wakanira kende gionse mo chumuligiria samamera amamera yo akuza award rutobatranere gwetera sokan tv channel yoge igakuru kwa sara mumanyi asemargoba jabana sebe mtandao na botamba Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital abeke sembeli ya YouTube Ndizi TV News tubasa kwa basi website yetu na tambe www.ndizitv.net omeranenga kende tukole juma yese mwana isi tuchia kutukuletra nchini Vincent Onyancho.